If you suffer from sinus issues, you may have already heard about the use of essential oils for sinus problems. While they may not be as well known as a natural remedy for colds, they can be extremely effective at treating a variety of symptoms. There are two types of sinusitis, allergic and non-allergic. Either way, sinusitis is an unpleasant and uncomfortable condition. It's also a sign of more serious health problems. What are essential oils? Do you know that there are essential oils that can help you fight nose congestion? These plant compounds help relieve congestion, fight inflammation, and even alleviate the pain. Peppermint oil has numerous benefits, including relieving congestion and boosting energy during the holidays. Moreover, it contains antiseptic, antibacterial, and antifungal properties, making it an ideal treatment for nasal congestion. Hence, it's safe to use it as a topical solution on the affected area. Another great essential oil for congestion is rosemary. It contains three chemical types, Citronella, T-cineol, and C-verbenone. Cypress and nutmeg essential oils contain camphene, a compound that works to reduce mucus secretion. In rabbits, rosemary C-cineol reduces the volume of fluid within the respiratory tract. Excess fluid in the nasal passages causes congestion and runny nose, which makes breathing difficult. Sinus infections are common and are often triggered by allergies and asthma. These infections can cause pain, full body fatigue, and a constant, hacking cough. Aside from causing discomfort, these infections can affect your sleep and can even cause you to lose your sense of smell. But you don't have to suffer through this miserable condition if you try essential oils to clear nasal passages. With a few drops of lavender or chamomile essential oil, you can easily find relief. Another great essential oil for congestion is rosemary. It is believed to have anti-inflammatory properties, and when diffused, rosemary oil can reduce inflammation in the sinuses. The benefits of rosemary oil include reducing sinus pressure and clearing nasal congestion. This essential oil blend is a great natural alternative to traditional medications that can only do so much. It will help you relax and breathe easier. You may also want to try using it for a bath. Other essential oils for nasal congestion include rosemary essential oil and lemon oil. Both of these oils have anti-inflammatory properties, making them an excellent treatment for colds and stuffiness. Another good option is ginger tea and lozenges to help clear your throat. Tea tree oil is also effective in alleviating sinus pressure and inflammation caused by congestion. It can also help you sleep well. But be sure to consult your doctor or pharmacist before using any of these essential oils on your body. Properties of essential oils. Some of the most popular essential oils are peppermint and rosemary. Peppermint essential oil is menthol-rich and is known to clear mucus. It is also used to fight bacteria, which is a major trigger of sinus congestion. All of these oils may help you to breathe easier and are also great for sinus health. While you might already be using peppermint oil to relieve congestion, it also has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Lemon essential oil is effective in treating sinus congestion because it contains antimicrobial properties. It fights common pathogenic bacteria and helps to reduce inflammation in the sinuses. Studies have shown that eucalyptus essential oil is effective in treating bacterial sinusitis, a common cause of runny nose. Tea tree oil contains antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal properties. However, before you try essential oils to relieve your congestion, consult your doctor first. Rosemary essential oil may help with sinus congestion because of its anti-inflammatory properties. It is also rich in antioxidants and may help manage the metabolic syndrome. However, when you are choosing essential oils for nose congestion, make sure to check the label. Always dilute essential oils before breathing them in. If you do not want to ingest the oils, use a tissue to suck in a few drops. Always avoid placing the essential oils on your skin, since it could irritate your skin. Eucalyptus oil is another great oil for nasal congestion. It contains eucalyptol, an organic compound that has a cooling mint flavor and smell. It can also open blocked airways and prevent the buildup of mucus. Adding this oil to your decongestant can relieve congestion naturally. If you use peppermint oil, it can also reduce inflammatory processes and prevent sinus infections. Aside from their benefits for clearing the nasal passages, essential oils are also great for relieving headaches and improving the quality of your sleep. Some essential oils have antiviral effects and can also reduce stress. The properties of essential oils for nose congestion are not well understood, but studies suggest they can reduce the inflammation and symptoms associated with respiratory viruses, especially influenza type A. However, if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, be sure to consult your OB/GYN before using essential oils. Cause of nose congestion. If you experience constant nasal congestion, it's likely that you are constantly exposed to allergens that trigger allergic reactions in your nose. These allergic reactions appear as a thick, sticky discharge. Other common causes of nasal congestion include chemically filled environments, foreign objects, and nasal polyps. To determine the exact cause of your nasal congestion, consult a doctor. You should also avoid certain foods and get enough rest to avoid triggering nasal congestion. Nasal congestion is most easily identifiable by a stuffy nose. It happens when the mucous membranes swell due to a triggering factor, such as exposure to pollen or tobacco smoke, or bacterial or viral infection. Swelling in this area results from the body producing excess mucus. The causes of congestion are discussed in the next section. Nevertheless, you should always seek medical help if you experience prolonged, persistent congestion. You can try several remedies to alleviate the symptoms of nasal congestion. Using warm, moist washcloths on your face can help thin the mucus and support your immune system. A warm shower is another effective remedy. Alternatively, a shower with steam can be soothing and can help clear the sinuses. In addition to these home remedies, saline nasal sprays can be purchased at a pharmacy or prepared at home. For pain relief, you can also try taking over-the-counter medications. For infants, a pediatrician should be consulted if the symptoms persist and affect feeding or sleep. Pediatricians are experts in head and neck surgery, facial plastic surgery, and reconstructive surgery. In addition to addressing the causes of nasal congestion, pediatricians can recommend a treatment plan that may involve over-the-counter medications as well as prescription medication. These medications should be prescribed only after a thorough examination. And don't forget to consult your pediatrician if the symptoms persist even after home treatments. Neurogenic mechanisms are also important in the development of nasal congestion. Inflammation-induced changes in sensory afferents can lead to impaired airflow and the subjective experience of nasal congestion. More research into the causes of nasal congestion will help physicians select the best treatment for patients and researchers to develop new therapies. And in the meantime, nasal congestion will continue to be a common problem, so make sure you consult a specialist when symptoms persist. Best essential oil for nose congestion. Various essential oils are available for nose congestion. Peppermint, for example, has a cooling effect and may work to clear mucus. Eucalyptus, on the other hand, combats bacteria and helps reduce inflammation. Eucalyptus oil, obtained from the eucalyptus plant, is another option. Its antibacterial and antifungal properties also make it an effective nasal decongestant. The chamomile essential oil is effective when applied topically, but should not be administered to children or pregnant women. If the nasal congestion persists, surgery may be necessary. Besides essential oils, a healthy diet may be the answer to nasal congestion. Avoid foods that increase mucus production, such as dairy products and chocolate, and increase fluid intake, particularly when the air is dry. Increasing humidity in the bedroom can also help. Inhaling the steam helps expel mucus, reducing sinus pressure. The warm water from the shower activates the healing properties of essential oils. Another essential oil for nasal congestion is thyme. It is a natural antiseptic, and it is also a member of the laurel family. Diffusing it in hot water can help clear up sinuses and bronchitis. It can also be added to diffusers or diffusing jewelry. In addition to being a powerful essential oil for nose congestion, thyme is also known to be soothing to the respiratory tract. If you're suffering from nasal congestion, a blend of essential oils called Breathe Air can help. This blend contains a number of essential oils that fight mucus and clear the airways. Essential oils such as camphor are applied topically and can relieve the symptoms of nasal congestion. You can apply Revive Breathe Air blend on your neck, chest, or the front of your ear canals. Some essential oils have antibacterial and antiviral properties. Geranium is especially effective for nasal congestion and helps reduce the length of the infection. Bergamot, meanwhile, contains camphene, the same compound found in nutmeg, cypress, and nutmeg essential oils. Camphene helps to prevent mucus secretion, which is a primary cause of runny nose and sinus congestion. Next essential oil for poison oak. Legal and medical disclaimer. Information provided on the site is for educational purposes only, and does not substitute for professional medical advice. You must consult a medical professional or healthcare provider if seeking medical advice, diagnoses, or treatment. We do not provide any medical advice. Essential Oils Marketplace. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.